Doorbell not working? Don't rush to replace it just yet. Try these quick fixes first. Step 1. Check the button. Dirt and grime can jam the button. Clean it up and test it again. Step 2. Inspect the wiring. Loose connections are a common issue. Tighten up the wires and see if that does the trick. Step 3. Check the chime box inside your home. If the wiring looks good, make sure it's getting power. Step 4. Don't forget the transformer. Use a multimeter to make sure it's delivering enough voltage to power your doorbell. Still not working? It might be time for a replacement, but these steps often solve the issue. Try these first. Shash. Doorbell fix. Hash home repair. Easy fixes.